I've had my Apple Watch for nearly 2 years and I use it every day. Whether it's to exercise or just go about my day, it's pretty much always on my wrist. And over time, the more you use the Apple Watch, the more you learn about its features that help make your day-to-day life easier. So today, I'll be sharing my top 10 favorite tips on the Apple Watch, most of which you probably didn't know. So let's get straight into it. What's up guys, this is Shiv and welcome back to another video. So the first tip is the tip and bill calculator. A great feature that the Apple Watch's calculator has that the iPhone doesn't is the ability to calculate the tip of a bill very quickly. To do this, just go to your calculator app and press the tip button. If you see a percentage button instead, go to Settings, Calculator, and then select the tip function. Then, once you press tip, scroll the wheel to choose how much you want to tip and choose how many people to divide the bill between. This will show you the total bill, including the tip amount and how much each person needs to pay. Tip 2 is finding your iPhone. We all lose our phones around the house and sometimes even worse in public. So one of Apple Watch's great features is that you can ping your iPhone from your Apple Watch to make a loud sound or activate the flash remotely to help you find it. Just swipe up from your home screen to access the control center and tap the ping iPhone icon. Your iPhone will then make a loud pinging sound which will help you locate it. If you still need help finding it and could do with a visual cue, you can hold the ping iPhone icon to make your iPhone flash repeatedly. Tip 3 is around iPhone camera control. One of my favorite features is the Apple Watch's ability to control your iPhone's camera remotely. I hate taking selfies, so I think this feature is awesome when you need to take a group photo. All you have to do is open your camera app and allow connection to your iPhone's camera. Then you can put your iPhone down in a secure place and take photos using your Apple Watch, on which you can flip the camera, set a timer, and focus on any part of the picture. Tip 4 is silent mode. Maybe you're in a meeting or somewhere you don't want to be disturbed. Turning on silent mode will stop any notifications coming through on your Apple Watch, and to do this, just swipe up to the control center and press the bell icon. Alternatively, when you get a notification, you can quickly mute your Apple Watch by resting the palm of your hand on the watch display for at least 3 seconds, and you'll feel a tap to confirm that the mute is on. For this to work, make sure you turn on cover to mute on your Apple Watch. Open settings, tap gestures, then turn on cover to mute. Tip 5 is around gesture control. When Apple Watch Series 9 was announced, there was a lot of hype around gesture control and the ability to control your watch by tapping your fingers together. But not many people know that this has actually existed as an accessibility feature in the form of assistive touch for many years. You can use assistive touch to tap the display, access the app switcher, use Apple Pay, and a lot more. To set it up, open settings, tap accessibility, assistive touch, and turn it on. Then tap hand gestures and make sure this is on too. Then you can customize which gestures you want to perform specific actions on your Apple Watch. So I've set up tap to tap the screen and select an option, and double tap to open Apple Pay, just like the latest Apple Watch. We're halfway through the video, so I wanted to let you know I recently became a brand ambassador for SeatGeek, who are the sponsors of this video, and you can get $20 off your first ticket purchase with my code SHIVSSTUDIO at checkout. SeatGeek is a ticket website and app that takes the confusion out of buying tickets. They score each ticket from 0 to 10 and color code them green or red so you know if you're getting a good or bad deal. I used them last month in New York and picked up some basketball tickets that were rated 9.4 dark green. So I think I ended up paying half of retail price for these awesome tickets. You can check them out using the link in the description below, and remember to use code SHIVSSTUDIO to get $20 off your first purchase. Tip 6 is moving calls to iPhone. We've all been in the situation where we thought we'd pick up what we thought would be a quick call on our Apple Watch, but it turns out to be a much longer conversation. Instead of keeping your arm held up awkwardly and speaking into your wrist the whole time, you can simply pick up your iPhone and click the green button in the top left corner, and your call will automatically move to your iPhone, freeing your hand and letting you carry on your conversation more easily. Tip 7 is sharing your location. Sometimes you need to share your location with friends or family, and you can do this on the Apple Watch through the Find People app. To access this feature, all you have to do is scroll down to the Find People app and select Share My Location. You can then choose who to share your location with through voice control, picking a contact, or typing in a number. For example, if I share the location on my Apple Watch with myself, I can then choose if I want to share my location for an hour, until the end of the day, or indefinitely. so I'll select 1 hour. The person you share your location with will then be able to see your location in their Find My app, and you can see how long is left on your Apple Watch. You can also stop sharing at any time. To make sure this works properly, turn on Share My Location by going to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, and enable Share My Location. Tip 8 is Focus Mode watch faces. Now, I've done a whole video on how to use focus modes, which you can check out in the top right corner of the screen. But you'll be pleased to know that focus modes extend to the Apple Watch too. In your iPhone settings, select Focus, and then pick the focus mode you want to customize for your Apple Watch. If I select Studio Time and then edit the Apple Watch, I can choose which Apple Watch face I want to be displayed when I activate that focus mode, so I'll select Snoopy. Now, when I activate the Studio Time focus mode, you'll see my Apple Watch face automatically changes to the Snoopy watch face. This is also great if you have an exercise focus mode and customize your watch face to show your health data and exercise rings. Tip 9 is a Siri watch face. Staying on the topic of watch faces, you can also choose a Siri watch face, which shows you different information throughout the day, depending on what it believes would be useful to you. It's really dynamic, and right now you can see that it's showing me the weather in London and my next appointment. If there are any apps or information that you don't find useful, a hidden feature that a lot of people don't know is that you can actually customize the Siri watch face. Just go to Settings, scroll down to Clock, then scroll right to the bottom to Siri Face Data Sources. In this setting, you can toggle which apps you want displayed on your Siri watch face, tailoring it perfectly to your requirements. Tip 10 is screenshots. I only very recently found out you can take screenshots on your Apple Watch, which is super useful if you want to record something like a personal best in the gym or reaching a fitness goal. To activate this, go to Settings, General, scroll down to Screenshots, and then enable Screenshots. Now, you can take a screenshot on your Apple Watch by pressing the digital crown and side button at the same time, and see your screenshots on your iPhone. That covers my top 10 tips on the Apple Watch. There are so many more hidden features, so let me know if you enjoy this video and I'll make a part 2. Make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite tips in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one.